Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if DeepSeek can create Excel documents. So it cannot create a file itself, although it can create something like you can copy it and paste it to Excel. So I'm gonna just ask it, generate a product table for a local shop that I can copy to Excel and give me some example. Okay, and let's wait until it generates it. And you can see that it creates the product table. And also gives me the instructions on how to copy it to Excel. So it says that I just need to select it all. So I'm gonna select it. Then I'm gonna click on Ctrl+C on my keyboard. And now let's just go to the let's go to Google Sheets, but you can also use any other spreadsheet tool. And now let's click on Ctrl+V, and as you can see, it is pasted. I can also reformat it because it has given me that in the, or maybe let's click on Ctrl+Z and just click on Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it without formatting. Now I'm gonna quickly delete the first row, and now my table is created, so it can give me all of that, whatever I need. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.